Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are actually going to be reviewing, and I'm also going to be showing you guys me using the new Revolution Foil Frenzy palette, which looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. I do have it on my eyes just now, hence the crazy eye makeup. I just really wanted to play about with this, so this isn't a tutorial, I'm just messing about, to be quite honest. So yes, this is the eye look that I have created. It's just a kind of deep brown and gold cut crease really. I am also going to be doing some swatches in this video, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit about this palette. So this is the new Revolution Foil Frenzies palette. It has 15 shades in it, and it says on the Revolution Beauty website that the Foil Frenzy, it has unbelievable colour payoff in just one swipe. The intensity of these eyeshadows lies in its extraordinary formula in which the pigment is poured, not pressed. So that is definitely something that I've noticed when playing about with this. The formula is really different, and it's still really smooth and really pigmented, but it's kind of flaky. It's like, but when you get the flakes, it's like insanely pigmented. Each pan offers a gorgeous creamy texture that transforms into a silky powder for an incredible high shine finish. I can definitely vouch for that. These shadows are super foily. They are very shiny, very smooth, and they are beautiful. From bronze to burgundy, plum to khaki, this kit is brimming with 15 rich shades that truly pack a punch. Definitely, I totally agree with that. Uncover the pigment power for your most insane eye looks to date. Use individually or mixed tones for a standout shimmer look. Apply wet to amp up the drama even more. I never thought of that actually. We love dampening the opal hue to make the inner corner seriously pop. I'm now going to put that to test because I'm now going to do that, and it does say that it is cruelty free as well. So that is all that it says about this palette. Everything that it describes there I can definitely agree with. Now that it has actually said that we can apply these wet, we are going to go ahead and we are going to do that. I'm going to take this brush, I'm just going to wet it. I'm going to take the silver shade. Oh my god. Wow. That just totally changed the consistency of this altogether. Oh. Right, I'm just going to apply these in the inner corner. Wow, that now looks grey when it was actually silver. Right, I'm absolutely mesmerised by this. I don't even know if you guys can even see this. I thought this was going to apply silver, but it is applying grey. Wow, that's like stainless steel grey. Right, this eye look isn't something that I want you guys to go and copy or anything. This is just purely experimental. But I don't know if you guys can see that. But basically what I've just done is I've just wet my brush, and with this silver shade it has just turned grey. These are like magic or something. That is insane. This eye look looks horrendous now, but can you guys actually see that? Wet my brush. I'm now going to dig into this gold that I did use all over my eyes. Holy heck. Why did I not think about applying these wet? Right, that is insane. Wow, that silver, when it's wet, turns into like a steel grey. Oh my god guys, right, Makeup Revolution have blew this out the water. I was excited, but now I'm even more excited because these turn into a whole different formula when they're wet, and they also change colour. Well, the silver does anyway. Oh wow, these feel like butter. Holy man. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand for you guys. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to now swatch the gold one that's in the corner. These don't have names, so sorry if... Holy crap. But look at that. Wow. That is insane. Wow. That's like, oh. Holy crap. Look at that. This looks insane. I want to get it on my eyes right now. Right, so I think I'm just going to go for like, maybe even that pink one there. I might just do that. Or this one. Oh my god. Like that shade right there. This palette looks absolutely incredible. I just want to drench my eyes in this. I don't have a look planned. So this palette is just all foils. So I'm just going to go in with... So I'm just going to go in with my Elixir eyeshadow palette, which just looks like this. This has a lot of brown mattes and stuff. So I'm just going to go in with a few of these shades first, and then I'm going to delve into this palette. Now I'm just going to go in with this brown shade in the Elixir palette. Ooh, pigmentation. I'm just basically packing that colour on. These colours are super pigmented. I will try and leave the Instagram or like the website and stuff down below for this eyeshadow palette. Right, so I'm just going to go into the corners with this deepest brown shade here. I'm taking a smaller brush. This is just the Jessup's 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush, and I was using an Alvani, doesn't have a number on it, but this is an Alvani brush. With the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This one is in shade Halo. It is just the white shade, and I'm just going to cut the crease. Now just going to go in with this gold shade down here, and I'm just going to take it on my fingers. Just look how foiled that is insane. I'm going to do the same on this side. Wow, guys, I am so impressed with that. So this is the kind of look I've come up with. Not perfect, it's not meant to be perfect. I'm just basically just messing about to see what these can actually do. I'm just going to go in with some eyeliner now. Right, then I'm just going to sort of smoke out the lower lash line. Not putting any excess product on this, by the way. Okay, So this eye look is like very, very intense, but I basically was just messing about there. I know the makeup's not like anything that I would wear on a daily, but I'm just like messing about, to be quite honest. So overall, this is the finished look. This palette is insane. I don't know what it was, but the gold, this bottom gold shade right here, just absolutely just stood out to me. Absolutely loved it, so I just used that, and that is the foily shade that's on my eyes just now. I am not a foily person unless I can find the right foils, and I have definitely found the right foils. Like honestly, but this is on a whole other level. This isn't like not patchy, it's not I don't even know. Do you know what? For the first time in a while, I've actually come on here and I feel speechless about this palette. I feel speechless, and I'm not over exaggerating this, guys. I'm literally sitting here looking at this like, wow. The fact that that's just went from silver to grey when wet, amazing, guys, amazing. Right, I'm just going to basically say this palette is amazing. If you love foily shades, if you want to experiment with a little bit of colour, go and buy it because it's insane. Please experiment with it dry and wet. Like, can we see the inner corner, guys? Can we see the inner corner? It's went grey. Yeah. I'm just going to get straight into the swatches of this because I don't even know what to say. It's insane. It is so, so pigmented. It's super, super foily. The shades are lovely. Yeah, you need it. Every shade swatched amazingly. They're super, super silky. With some of the darker shades, I did find that they kind of flaked a little bit, but then when you caught the flakes, it was like when you as soon as you rubbed it in, it just went so, so foily. But yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys found this video interesting, or if you're maybe wondering about getting it. Every single shade is just unique and stunning. There isn't two shades that are the same. I really, really do love this sort of gold shade. That's what I've got on my eyes today. Love it, love it, love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Formulation is incredible. As it says, these are actually poured instead of pressed, and you can definitely feel the difference in the formula already. It's amazing. You guys definitely have to go and buy this because it is insane. If you guys want to see any different sort of looks with it, just let me know. I'm just going to try again just now with a different colour. I'm just going to use this pink shade. Yeah, that looks orange when it's wet. I have just swatched this pink shade, right? And I've wet my brush and it looks like this. Now, I don't know about you guys or how the camera's going to pick it up, but this looks orange to me now. Definitely, it's like orange and pink. It's definitely turning. I'm definitely getting like a duochrome vibe with this, by the way. If anybody else picks this up, let me know. I don't know if I'm just tripping because of the medication I'm on right now. But, oh my god, I feel like this palette is sort of duochromy when it's wet. let me know if any of you guys think that, or when I actually go to edit this footage, I'll see what it actually does look like. But it's like hot pink in the pan, but it comes off orange when it's wet. Same with the silver's like pure white iridescent silver, and then when you put it on wet it goes grey. Is this meant to happen? I don't know if this is actually meant to happen. So if anybody else has this palette and you're finding the same sort of thing happening, please let me know. But yeah, I am amazed by this. So I'm going to stop rambling on now, and I will leave the link and everything in the description box for this palette. I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a little bit about it, and tell you guys that a new palette has launched. Yeah, definitely has a thumbs up from me. I'm loving this. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you did enjoy this, do not forget to please like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.